Hello everyone, I am Arisha Salman and today I am going to express my views on the topic mental health. Whenever we come across this word, there are many questions and queries in our mind. So this is not that complicated word. So now today we will see its significance in a layman term. Okay? In a bookish language, mental health refers to cognitive, behavioral and emotional well-being. So in a normal or a common language, we can say mental health refers to how people think, feel and behave. And these thinking, feeling and behaving, all three are the most important aspects which affect our daily living, relationships and our physical well-being. Whenever we have some or the other problem, like we are having headache, stomach ache, fever or any problem in a tooth or something or the other, any physical issue, whenever we tell that to someone, the person always recommend or suggest us to go and see the doctor. Whenever we have these problems, headache, body ache, fever, we are always suggested to have checkups, medicines, take medicines, go to the doctor, have different types of physical tests, have different blood tests so that we can come across the diagnosis of the specific problem. It is being always taken seriously. Now, when we have certain problems like stress, sadness, we are feeling isolated, lonely, or if we feel like crying without any specific issue or specific problem, mood swings are there, and if you tell people about that problem, they generally say, अरे it's okay, सब होता है, ऐसा है, दूसरी चीज़ों से दिमाग हटाओ, खाओ पियो, मजे करो, टीवी देख लो, गेम खेल लो, सही हो जाएगा. Without even taking this thing seriously, we just suggest ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, and move away. But again comes this issue that whenever you want to tell your problem to someone, there is always one question or one query, is that person trustworthy? So now we are going to think or study about few types of people. Like there are types of so-called well-wishers. Half of the जनता is like कोई बात नहीं, not that important, leave it. पर कुछ लोग जो कहते हैं अच्छा स्ट्रेस है, प्रॉब्लम है, इश्यू है, क्या बात है बताओ, तो उनमें से मैक्सिमम बताओ वालों के कई स्पेसिफिक रीजंस होते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइप कम्स टू नो एंड गॉसिप. They want to know about your problem so that they can tell it to others. They can do gossiping on that, backbiting. Then to spread and laugh. उस बात का मजाक बनाना, उसकी कोई अगर किसी को fear issues है, terrors हैं किसी चीज़ से phobias हैं, तो उनका fun बनाना. Thirdly, they want to know about your problem so that they can compare. Oh, उसको ये problem है, मैं तो इतना strong हूँ इस चीज़ में, I am so good in these things. So इसमें कोई issues नहीं आते. Then another concept come about to judge. Judge करना is like जब भी हम किसी को अपनी कोई बात बताते हैं, सबसे पहला डर होता है कि वो इंसान मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. बचपन से ही हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग इस कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ हुई होती है कि इफ़ यू विल डू समथिंग सब लोग क्या बोलेंगे. तो ये फियर कहीं ना कहीं हमारे अंदर बचपन से ही होता है. अगर हमने कुछ गलत किया तो people will judge and say ये ऐसा है वो वैसा. अगर हमें whenever we come across any news or any incidents, we always judge people. लड़की की गलती रही होगी, अकेले इसकी गलती नहीं हो सकती, लड़की को समझना चाहिए था, लड़के को ऐसा करना चाहिए था. We are there to just give some or the other reviews on their personal problems. Then after such type of so-called well-wishers, there are very small group of few people who consider themselves as counselors. So counselors basically are the ones who are psychologists by profession and they want to help others without being judgmental. They are well aware about this mental health, importance of this mental health, so that they are the ones who are trustworthy. Helping others is their main passion and keeping their things confidential is, you can call it as an oath of a counselor, right? So now we'll see, जैसे कोई भी physical problem हुई, छोटा मोटा headache या कुछ भी, तो हम उसकी मेडिसिन लेते हैं या डॉक्टर को रेफर करते हैं ताकि वो चीज़ वहीं की वहीं सही हो जाए और कहीं बड़ी ना हो जाए. हर छोटी बीमारी कैंसर या कोरोना में नहीं बदल जाती. सिमिलरली जब हमें कोई मेंटल प्रॉब्लम होती है, स्ट्रेस है, टेंशन है, कुछ परेशानी है, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो प्रॉब्लम हमारी साइकाइट्रिक ट्रीटमेंट चाहती है या हमें फौरन इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक मिलने लगता है। जहाँ भी ये वर्ड मेंटल आता है, मेंटल हेल्थ, लोग इसको फौरन साइकाइट्रिक ट्रीटमेंट से, मेंटल शॉक से, दवाओं से, साइकाइट्रिक मेडिसिन से रिलेट करते हैं, विच इज़ एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग। इट इज़ अ मिसकंसेप्शन। स्ट्रेस, टेंशन, प्रॉब्लम्स, ये हमारी डे टू डे लिविंग में एवरीवन इज फेसिंग दीज थिंग्स। जो प्रॉब्लम्स, जो इश्यूज हमसे खुद नॉर्मली सॉल्व नहीं हो पाते हैं, वी नीड समवन टू गाइड अस ऑन दैट। You might have heard this famous line that man is a social animal, which is being quoted by Aristotle. So it is true. Every one of us needs someone or the other whom we can trust, with whom we can share, so that we can have some relaxation in our mind. So now we will see why the reactions on mental health is also very important. Here I am taking an example of a remote. If I focus on this remote, right, it physically it is fine, it is not broken, buttons are all well, no issues are there. But if I will remove the battery of this remote, isn't it? If I will remove the battery, then it will stop working. So same thing goes here. Our body is like this remote and our brain is that battery. You can take an example of any electronic device. You can take an example of car also, an automobile. If there is some issue in the engine, no matter how beautiful, how well maintained the car is, but car will create some or the other problem. So if you're physically healthy, from head to toe you are fit and fine, no issues there, but you are having problems, fears, tensions, stress, which are not overcome, which are not relaxed at that specific moment, so that will not let you live a normal and a healthy life. So in my opinion, mental health is more important in comparison to physical health. Physical health में कोई issue हुआ तो you can consult a doctor, you can consult someone and you can take medicine, you can get well. But for mental health also, you need someone to share your problems with, you need some person in which you can confide, you need someone whom you can trust, so that these things can be overcome and in order to become a happy and a relaxed person, you have to spread the awareness for mental health. So at the end I would like to say that health is not just about what you eat, it is also about what you think and what you feel. So I request you people to stay alert, share this thing, spread awareness, take help, help others, don't hesitate, share your problems, stay happy and healthy, and please, please, please help me to help others. So share this thing, spread the information among your friends and your family. You can contact me for any type of counseling on Instagram at The Stress Healer. Thank you.